Hello everyone, myself Goutham. I am from first year CSBS department and I am going to tell you about AI in cyber security. AI in cyber security eliminates time consuming tasks done manually by human experts. It scans vast data and identities potential threats and reduces false positiveness by filtering out non-threatening activities. This helps human experts focus on more critical security tasks. In cybersecurity, artificial intelligence proved to be beneficial as it improves the way security experts analyze, study, and understand cybercrime. It improves the technologies that companies use to combat cybercrimes and helps organizers keep customer data safe. Advantages of cybersecurity is artificial intelligence becomes more intelligent over time. Artificial intelligence helps us in identifying unknown threats. Artificial intelligence can handle a lot of data. Thank you.